everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International Inc. and welcome to the greatest piano channel on the internet, period. So in this video, I'm gonna do question and answer series. Again, thank you so much for your question. I piled up here lots of questions from your emails and from Facebook and from Instagram and from the Patreon site. So we're having very important questions that needs to be answered correctly from my perspective. So I'm having here question number 1, how to find the right song for me? Good question. Number 2, how to set goals? Very good question. How to practice slow? That's a really good question. Slow and more slow. How to break up the score? Very important. Let's do that. What kind of teacher do I need? Do I need one? Okay, we will see. Then we're having here, how long should I practice? How to learn quick a piece? Okay, we all want quick. Yes, that's gonna come. What to practice in a session? That's good, in a practice session. Then we're having coordination exercises for beginners. Absolutely. Why should I play scales? We're gonna get through it. Why arpeggios and why versions? Why should I learn about arpeggio and inversions? What the heck are them? So we're gonna go there. Chord practice, practice exercise. And ultimately, I have one more, classical pieces that I believe you should learn and why. Alright? You like that, right? So give me a like and let's get going with number 1. So right now, let's go further. Let's move on the same idea of the how slow, what means to practice slow, on the Sonatina Opus 36 number 1 by Clementi. And Smokey is here, of course, it's keeping me company and he's always wants a treat or something, but okay, so let's move on. So, let's suppose that you want to play this one, you already have it in your ear, and then you are trying to play it, yeah, he's scratching his ears, and you are trying to play it fast, and playing it fast, it will sound like that. No, okay? So you need to go as slow as you are. Let's say you do know your right hand and then you do know your left hand, that I'm gonna talk in the video about how to do that in a video, how to break down a piece and how to learn it quickly. So you kind of know it right now and you put it together and it's just a mess, right? So you gotta go back extremely slow as you can play this enough smoothly. And you're gonna take maybe 4 bars at a time, right? And you're gonna go very slow. Like 4 bars, I would say at least 5 to 7 times. Alright? So, well, you obviously you can go much more than 7 times, but not less than 5 times. And try to do it smoothly, smooth. So you need to pick up your speed, you know? that is the slower in which you can actually understand with your brain exactly where goes each finger at any moment in time. Meaning you're not pressing a key without thinking. First you think and then you press the key. So that's what I mean, that you are in a perfect control where goes each finger. So that's why you need to go very slow. As I said, it's statistic. It's not like I am saying. I'm saying minimum 5 times, but I will pick up 7 times, you know. It's statistics. You need to tell the brain about 5 times the same thing in order the brain to figure it out what is its role to do it. Now, because you can have it intellectual, how it means and what you need to play, but if the fingers are not moving where they're supposed to move, then you don't know the piece. This again, it's a skill in which you gotta reproduce what is in your brain to, you know, on the music and create that music. You recreate a piece of the notes, right? You are playing it and create a beautiful music, you know, in which you are happy and everybody around you are happy. After you play it for a while, maybe next day you're going to play it again the same speed. Next day for 3-4 days or something, depends again how much you practice or so, in which we will touch it in another video, how much you should practice, right? Then you can go a little faster. Again, in the first time we're doing this, if you know, have a rhythm hesitation, you know, I would still consider it's a good run out of 7 times as you set the goal to do it today, right? So what is important in the first stage is to play it smooth with the notes together, right and left hand where they're supposed to be. If you have rhythms hesitation, it's still a good run. Meaning what? Let's say that you are fine on this, you're fine on here, and then you're not fine quite here, and then you take a little bit extra minute and you think, and then you go here, and then you take another extra minute, and then again. I would still say it's a good one because you are thinking. You're thinking before you hit the note. So that means you need to be alert. Don't just play for the heck of playing it because I said 5 times or 7 times. If you're messing up and then it's like... Of course, I'm exaggerating. I'm sure you're not doing that, okay? I'm gonna go another minute because I promised, and already it's a long video, but I will come back on those as well. On this situation, because on this one, it's even more. Right? So first, it's just... no pedal, no pedal. Pedaling, it's an extra step that you doing it to the end when you really know the piece. So I will start. we don't want that. We want again 5 to 7 times smooth. So even if it's a hesitation here, it's still a good one. That's what means practice slow for me. Then you see, I don't even know, ta, ra, ta is probably a 60. And then obviously from 60, once you are like, it's going smoother, maybe in 2-3 days or something, then you can go a little faster to 70. And then to 75. And then to 80. And so on and so forth until you are where you need to be, right? So this is about how slow it's slow, how slow I should practice. So it's as slow as you are comfortable and you're not making mistakes. It could be some rhythm hesitation, but not notes and hands mistakes. So try to make it pretty much well done, not 80%, because then if you speed it up and then the measures are only like 40% 80% done, speeding up is going to go worse and worse and worse. It's going to be 60%, 50%, and then faster is more and more messy and more messy. It needs to be 100% done before you go and you increase the speed. Thank you so much. I think this question is from Flavia. So thank you for this question. That was an awesome question. And I think this has helped. And hit that subscribe and like button and tell me in your comments if you liked it, okay? And if it was useful. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. It's gonna be how to set goals. That's a good one, okay? Let's go.